everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to create this sort of spring glam makeup look, which is very pinky and I'm so obsessed. I love it, and I think I've sort of stepped outside my comfort zone a little bit, but I just think it's really pretty and really light and it's nothing too dramatic, so that's why I like it. Like, I haven't gone too extreme with the pink, although I did get a bit carried away. I love it, so I'm really excited to share this video with you and talk to you guys about all the makeup that I'm using and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this makeup tutorial, then please keep watching. So I have already done my brows. By the way, I'm obsessed with these earrings, don't know if you can tell. So what I'm going to do is start off with my foundation. At the moment, oh, everything's falling on the floor. But at the moment I've been using the Bourgeois 123 Perfect foundation in the shade Beige, and then also the Rimmel Wake Me Up one in the shade Soft Beige. So I'm literally just going to mix these two together, and then I'm literally just going to swipe it along my face. They're not too heavy, they're sort of like middle coverage, depending on how much, like how well you build them up. What I'm going to do is use the insane unicorn brushes. Can we take a moment, guys? I don't want to use these. Look how beautiful they are. Like, I cannot deal. But what I'm going to do is grab this one, sadly, from the kit, and then just sort of blend it in from downwards of my neck and then go up. They're too beautiful to use. They're really good though. The quality is amazing and it's not soaking up the product, so my product is still really quite full coverage on my face. I'm going to use some concealer, which I always use. At the moment I'm using the Anti-Age Concealer in Nude. And then I'm going to get Maybelline Fit Me in 20 and put that over the top. I'm going into town on Thursday actually, and I'm going to go into Boots and Superdrug and buy some new drugstore makeup and do a makeup tutorial for you guys, because I feel like I haven't done one in so long and I feel like I sort of want to experiment with new makeup and stuff, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend in my concealer. I never use, what's it called? Brushes to blend in my concealer because I just don't like how it looks, so yeah. Then what I'm going to do is use this huge brush from the kit and set my face with some translucent powder. This is from Rimmel. I'm just going to set it all. The quality of these brushes is so luxury, honestly, they're amazing. Oh, now that's all done, I'm going to get this angle brush from the unicorn brush set. I just don't like using the brushes because they're so pretty. And I'm going to use my trusty NYX contour kit and just bronze and contour my face. So, I'm just going to get the first brush from this kit and move on to the Mrs. Bella palette. I'm going to try and focus more on this because I hate it when I watch videos and YouTubers use like 100 different palettes. So I decided to use two, which are both really affordable. So that is the plan with that. So yeah, I'm going to move on to, first of all, the shade Pure. You guys know I like to just set my eyelids in place. So this one is really good because it's like a light colour, so it's just going to set everything. So I'm going to use that angle brush and I'm going to use the shade Bella from this palette and put this on my tear duct. Is that too light? Oh no, I think that's good. And my brow bone. I feel very spring today, so I was like, I want to film a spring makeup tutorial because the weather's just like really sunny and it's not too cold. And also on the bridge of my nose and then my Cupid's bow. Right, I'm going to use this sort of fluffy brush and I'm going to use the shade Undressed. This one here for a transition colour. And then I'm going to use that same colour on my lower lash line. I'm getting a little bit of fallout. So I'm going to move on to this palette with the same brush. I'm going to go with this shade here and then pop that again in my transition really lightly. And then I'm going to go back in with this palette and use the shade Vino, which is this hot pink here at the bottom. Oh my god, this is so insane. I'm so excited to use this. And then I'm sort of just going to dot this on in my transition. That's so pretty. Really buildable as well. And then I'm also going to use that same colour on my lower lash line. I do get fallout with this eyeshadow palette, but it's really easy to wipe off. So yeah, can you hear my washing machine? It's like, really? Did you have to be that loud? So I'm just going to sort of build the product up just to deepen it a little bit. I'm now going to use the flattest brush from the Unicorn brushes. Wipe it with a makeup wipe, and then you can also use some setting spray to set it. Because what we're going to do is move on to like a shimmery colour. I really like Glam Cocoa and also Unreal, which is this purple. So I'm going to go in first with Unreal and see what it looks like. Whoa, that's bright. That is quite pigmented. It might be a bit too purpley for me. What we can do is put that on first and then put Glam Cocoa on over the top, and it'll just make it a little bit more subtle. Let's try that. Oh my god, yeah, that looks so much better with it over the top. And then I'm going to go back in with Vino and just blend in the edges. I don't know if you can see my fallout, but there's quite a lot from this palette, although this palette is really nice. I really like the look of the eyes. I think it really goes. And then moving on to liner, I'm just going to line them with my trusty NYX liquid liner. I'm literally just doing a line. I'm not going to do a wing or anything. And then what I'm going to do is just pop some mascara on my bottom lashes. I've got a couple of individuals left, so I'm not going to put mascara on, but I am going to put lashes on in a minute, so bear with. For lashes, I'm going to use these beautiful ones by Unicorn Lashes. They look like this. So insane, like so beautiful. So what I'm going to do is apply the lash tweezer to put on the lashes. Oh my god, look, this is so cool. I've never used one of these before and it's just so cool. Don't know what the style is of these. It doesn't say on the box, but I will link it for you guys down below if you did want to know what style, but they look like this. You got a better idea of them now. And then I've zoomed in a little bit. After I've applied these lashes, which I love, by the way, like they're so amazing. I'm going to use this NYX blusher with the same bronzer brush that I was using before. And then for highlighter, I'm going to use their fan brush and just use my setting spray, and then go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter with the Amyrose collab, which I love, by the way. I've done a full video on it if you want to see it. And then I'm just going to apply this onto my cheeks. And then for lips, I'm going to use Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner. And then I'm going to put on my NYX Lingerie lipstick in Corset. And then I'm going to use something very exciting. I can't deal. I'm going to use these unicorn lip glosses. I don't even know which one to use. I think I'm going to go for pink. And I'm literally just going to apply this over the top, even though I really don't want to open this up. It's just so pretty. That's the only downfall about this makeup brand, is that their products and their packaging, everything is just so like, look at that. I just want to keep all of this. It's just so pretty that I don't actually want to use it. It's the sort of thing that I want to just display and just look at. So I'm going to apply the lip gloss over the top. Like, this is actually insane. It creates such a nice like iridescent colour. And then I'm going to use some Sunkissed Perfect Fix Plus setting spray. So everyone, this is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed this look, and I hope it's made you want to go and buy loads of Unicorn cosmetics because they're insane. I love them so much. Like I said, I'll list the lashes, like the style that I'm using, in the description because it didn't say it on the packaging, but yeah, I'll list it for you guys down below, and all the products that I use. You can also get 25% off the whole website using the code SASSY25. So I'll leave that in the description box down below as well, just in case you do forget it. All the info will be in there, and all the products that I've used. I'm actually quite good at doing doing it now. Like, I used to forget all the time, but I'm actually really good at remembering the products that I should use. So yeah, if you want to know what products I've used in more detail and everything, it will all be listed down below. And yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you beauties in my next one. Bye.